Hello everyone, this is the video answer key for slides 11 and 12 on your graphing systems of equation learning task. So this first one up here, this is from slide 11, and so we are asked to graph the solution to this system of equations right here. And the solution to every system of linear equations is always, where do those lines intersect? So let's just go ahead and graph these guys. So first thing for this top equation up here, I know I have a slope of 3. Slope of 3 over 1, which means I'm going to go up 1 or up 3 and to the right 1. And then I know that my y-intercept is -3 right here. So y-intercept equals -3. So I can go ahead and plot that. 1, 2, 3. Here's my y-intercept here, and I'm going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, over to the right 1, up 3, over to the right 1. And then I'm just going to give myself one more point, but on the other side. So instead of going up this way, I'm going to backtrack one just in case. So the way we backtrack is I'm just going to do the opposite of what I have up here. So instead of going up 3, I'm going to go down 3. And instead of going to the right 1, I'm going to go to the left 1. That's how we back up. We just do the opposite of what the slope tells us to do. So I'm going to go down 3 and to the right 1, to the left 1, excuse me. Alrighty, and now I can just I can just graph my line here. There we go. Alrighty, my second line over here, I have a slope of -2 over 1. This means I'm going to go down 2 and to the right 1. And I know that I have a y-intercept of +7. So let me just graph this guy now. So +7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right there. And then I'm going to go down 2, 1, 2, over 1, right there, down 2 over 1. And you can see right there, that's where my graph is going to cross right there. So I can just make my line now. And this point right here, this is my intersection point. We're right to where the blue crosses the red. And that is at the point 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3. So that's the point 2, 3. 2, comma 3. There we go. Easy peasy, nothing to it, my friends. All right, same thing with slide 12. So I got a slope up here in my top equation of +2 over 1, which means I'm going to go up 2 and to the right 1. And then down here, excuse me, I got to do my y-intercept. Y-intercept of -5. So let me just do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 goes there. And then I'm going up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. And again, I'm just going to backtrack 1 just in case. So I'm going to go down 2 to the left 1. There we go. Draw my line. And remember from other videos that I've made, when we're graphing lines and you have an actual sheet of paper, you want to use a straight edge whenever you're graphing lines, because you can see down here, this portion of my line doesn't look very straight, does it? No, it does not. So that's why we want to use a straight edge. I'm on my iPad making these things, so I don't have a straight edge that I can use. But if you're using a sheet of paper and you have to graph a line, please, please, please use a straight edge. All right. Now let's move on to the other one. So the second one, I got a slope of 1 over 1. This is easy. I'm just going to go up 1 over 1. And my y-intercept is -1. So -1 on the y-intercept is right there. And I'm just going up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1. And this point right here is actually the point of intersection. This last blue one that I just made is actually the point of intersection. So you see how important it is for my lines to be straight, because if I used a straight edge, let me just show you on the red guy. My red slope is actually up 2, 1, 2, and then over 1. So it would be right there on top of that blue one. So that is actually the intersection point right there. So you see how important it is to use a straight edge. So that point right there is actually our intersection point, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1, 2, 3. So it's the point 4, comma 3. Alrighty, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. This is slides 11 and 12. I hope this helped. As always, be safe and be healthy, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye.